Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today. I've been getting a lot of questions from my friends like, Sonia, what is it that keeps you so high on energy? How are you able to balance your children, your house, your business, and your social circle, and also your clients? How is it like you're able to do it? People say they see a huge change in me, how what they have seen me few years back and what I am today. So there are so many questions which comes and I tell them every time. It is the meditation magic. It is what keeps me on toes. This is what gives me all the energy. And then a series of questions follows. People are like, what is meditation? We had seen you sitting with eyes closed near a beach, or when people are traveling with me, or things like that. And I tell them, meditation is very, very easy. And yes, I understand. Just like you, I was also out there, totally confused. I was too bogged down with my investment banking job at Goldman Sachs, and I wanted some kind of, some alternative. I just knew this was not right, and that's when my journey began. So I have gone through all. I have met many, many mentors. I've learned from many gurus about the whole process through hard and easy way out. I've learned this. I'm here to tell you guys, I'm here to help you guys. Whoever wants to know what meditation is, what happens in the process, why do we meditate, and what is the right posture, what is the right food, what is it we have to do in meditation, and many, many questions people have. I'm here to help you. If you are the one who also wants to learn everything about meditation. And also, if you are the one having some kind of stress in your life, you just feel there is something else out there for you. You're just not meant for what you're doing. Probably you want to know more about your inner being. So this is the journey. You can take this journey with me, and definitely I'm there to help you in a simple language. Let me first tell you what meditation is. Meditation is a process, it's a technique, it's a tool, you can say, where we are able to calm our monkey mind. So we all have this monkey mind which is chattering all the time. If you see yourself, you're sitting idle, still your mind is chattering. If you're doing something, still your mind is chattering. We have this tendency, we have this habit of this mind running all the time. So when we meditate, we are able to master this technique of having a no mind zone. You're completely thoughtless. I know. People will be like, Sonia, is it possible to become completely thoughtless? That's not in my control. My mind is like a machine which is running already. I would like to say no. It's completely possible. Mind is not a machine. It's completely, it follows and obeys what we command. It's just that we've lost the command. We have become the slave of the mind. So now you can reverse the process. And once the mind works, once the mind, you can control your mind, you see the magic happening in your life. You become like a magnet. Whatever you want, you manifest. Whatever you want, you can achieve. It's absolutely possible. And along with that, in this meditation journey, which you can take with me, once you embark on this journey, you will see complete new you. There will be change. You will have your people around you, your friends and family telling you that there is something different in you. You will see that happening. And that is because you have become a complete new you in this meditation journey. And also, when we start meditating, we start taking in the cosmic energy. What is cosmic energy? It's the energy which our body is made up of. It is the energy we get when we are in the nature. It is the energy we get in the food in a smaller quantity. Depends what you're eating. Definitely natural food. So yes, this is the same energy. But when we meditate, the amount of cosmic energy we start taking in our body increases manifold. So I'm gonna tell you, meditation is like a food for the soul. Just like the food we are having for our body, you should meditate as a food for your soul. Once you start that, you start feeling that fulfillment. You start feeling that, yeah, you are doing something for yourself. So I'm gonna take you through this process. And primarily, our meditation, we are gonna follow a meditation technique which was taught by Gautam Buddha 2500 years ago, which is called Anapanasati meditation. So that will be our primary meditation. But along with that, I'm going to give you a lot of tools, lot of different techniques which will help you to change your life completely, you know. And also, in case you want a one-on-one consultation, you're going through some trauma, some situations in your life, some event which has affected you and you're unable to come out of it, I'm open to listening to you. You can book a call, and I've dropped my email and my number. You can drop me a WhatsApp. We can connect and we can schedule a call. And I do a one-on-one consultation as well. For people who really want the energy shift, they want to do some kind of healing work, and many more. So, but this is a series of meditation I'm gonna take you through, which you can definitely do with me, and you will see the amazing result. Stay tuned, watch the next video which is coming up, and let's do this journey together. Thank you so much. Namaste.